Looking for a natural remedy to tone your face and get rid of wrinkles? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make a face toner with star anise, an ultra easy beauty secret to give your skin a youthful appearance and a healthy glow. Restore resilience, radiance, and vitality with this natural face toner. Anise maximizes skin's power of revitalization by stimulating surface skin cell renewal. It's a homemade face toner that's completely natural, inexpensive and easy to prepare, and is unbelievably effective. Instantly, skin appears refreshed and vibrant. In 1 month, the skin feels firmer, appears visibly replumped, renewed, full of life. So, what's toner for the face and when to use it? Facial toner is basically the in-between skincare step. It's meant to be used after cleansing your face, but before using your serum, face cream, or any other moisturizer. The star anise seeds have a distinct flavor and aroma and offer many benefits for your skin and overall health. Anise is called a miracle herb because of its ability to tighten and tone the skin, leaving it firm and smooth. Homemade toner from star anise has shown to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also used to provide relief from acne scars and damaged skin. As soon as you apply anise toner to your skin, it appears softer and smoother. When left on overnight, it starts to penetrate the tissues, softening wrinkles and reducing acne scars and pigmentation over time. While no product can completely remove wrinkles and scarring, you can reduce their appearance. But do not forget, you have to use it consistently over time to really see the benefits. Well, let's get started with this amazing recipe. So, we have here about 5 to 7 star anise and 1 cup of water. Put the seeds into a pot and add boiling water as if you're making tea. Cover with the lid and let it to infuse for at least 8 hours. When cooled, strain and pour the liquid into a bottle. Store it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Now, how to use it? Firstly, wash your face and apply the toner with cotton around and spray it on your face from a spray bottle. Let it dry for several minutes and follow with serum or moisturizer, your regular beauty routine. And that's it. Your face will be ready for a nice makeup, to sleep, or simply to enjoy the cleanliness. Gradually get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, treat acne and other skin infections, cleanse pores, remove blackheads and pimples, brighten your skin tone, and give your skin a youthful appearance. For me, this is one of the best face toners. I hope you will like this recipe and will enjoy its benefits for your face. Just don't forget to use it consistently. So, for more videos and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.